Dear students, in my previous lecture, I gave you a brief introduction regarding relative clauses. Today, we are going to learn about relative pronouns which are used to introduce relative clauses. So today, we are going to learn relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to introduce relative clauses, and we know relative pronouns who, whom, which, that, and whose. These are the relative pronouns which are used to introduce relative clauses. Now let us take up these relative pronouns one by one and discuss how we can use them. Who, it is a relative pronoun and it is used personally. So who as a relative pronoun, it is used personally. That means to refer to people. For example, he is the man who wrote back to me. Now here, the relative pronoun is who. It relates or refers back to noun, man, or we can say this relative pronoun represents man. And here, the subject is doing the action. So we can say who is commonly used as subject pronoun. So who, it is used personally and it is used as subject pronoun, commonly used as subject pronoun. In some grammar books, you may find who is also occasionally used to refer to pet animals. So who is also occasionally used to refer to pet animals, but mostly it is used to refer to people and it is used personally. Number second is whom. Whom, it is also used for people. So whom is also used for people. And whom, it is used in formal writing. So we can say whom is used in formal writing. Formal writing. In speech, this whom is usually replaced by who or that. So we can say in speech, whom is replaced by who or that. And this whom, it refers to the object of a verb or preposition. So it refers to the object of verb or preposition. Now I will write here some examples so that you may understand how the relative pronoun whom refers to the object of verb or preposition. Let me write here some examples. The girl whom I met yesterday has invited me for dinner. The girl whom I met yesterday has invited me for dinner. Here the relative pronoun is whom. It represents girl, the girl. But here the girl is receiving the action. Girl is receiving the action. It is actually I who is doing the action. So we can say here I is subject, met is verb, home is object, and the girl is again object. I can write it in another way. I met the girl yesterday and she has invited me for dinner. That is why I say here the relative pronoun whom, it is object, and naturally the girl is also object. Here the relative pronoun, it refers to the object of verb. Now likewise it refers to the object of preposition. For example, the man to whom, so here the relative pronoun whom is the object of preposition. The man to whom he addressed the letter was dead. In the first example, the relative pronoun whom, it is the object of verb, and in the second example, the relative pronoun whom, it is the object of preposition. Now another relative pronoun is which. Which, who is used personally, that means to refer to people, and which it is used non-personally. That means it is used to refer to animals and other things. Animals and other things. For example, has she found the book? The relative pronoun I will use here which she lost. Here the relative pronoun is which, it represents this book. Number second, the dog which bit him has been killed. Again, the relative pronoun is which. So, which as a relative pronoun, it is used non-personally, that means it is used to refer to animals and other things. The dog which bit him has been killed. Now another relative pronoun is that. That is used for people and things. So it is used for people and things. For example, I saw a soldier Now I saw a soldier, I have here written who and that, both are possible here. I saw a soldier who or that had lost an arm. Number second, I saw a soldier who or that had lost an arm. The book, I can write here which or that. I was reading. Last night was a ghost story. Last night was a ghost story. Now there are or some other relative pronouns, and we also use relative adverbs to introduce relative clauses, and we shall discuss them in the next video. Thank you.